Sekuzwakele ukuthi isithombe siyisithombe ngokuba nelogo yendaba enkulu. Nawu umuso ovela kwindaba enkulu media. Ngomhla ka-1 July, Inkosi uNyazi Simemile emhlanganweni wayo omkhulu kunayo yonke imihlangano ekhona ebandleni lamaNazaretha. Inkosi uNyazi Simemile ngomhla ka-1 July, indaba enkulu media will be 0 rated. Okusho ukuthi if you spot or if kwenzeka uhlangana nabafana bendaba enkulu, you will get isithombe esihle premium esinelogo yendaba enkulu esihle 0 rated 0 rands. Kodwa you should be following us on TikTok, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram as well as on Facebook. Follow our Facebook page. Only ngomhla ka-1. Danko.